try to make a short video by myself, which is not going to be that easy or that well done, but I've got my little flip card that I made. Used to make these when I was a kid, actually, and of my 57 Skyliner top going down, or if you reverse it, top going up. Anyway, this is my flip card. These are all photographs. You can see here I have it held in place with a vintage Craftsman vise here. So let's try to flip through it. I can get the, here we go. You see it working. There it is. See if I can do it again. A little faster, obviously faster than they actually operate. Anyway, there you go. Forgot the size of it. I think it's 4 by 6 is what I made it on photographic paper. And I have it held together with a spring clip with the handles off of it so it stays in place. So that's my little Skyliner retractable hardtop flip card.